Welcome home to this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on 0.91 acre in a beautiful setting. The home features engineered hardwood flooring installed in 2021 throughout the living areas and bedrooms. Metal roof with 50-year warranty on the product, installed in 2023. Heat pump and air handler unit installed in 2024. The living room features a wood stove and an open concept to the kitchen and dining area that leads to the newly painted deck. The following will remain: washer, dryer, electric cooktop, wall oven, counter microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, island with 2 chairs, and 24 by 12 outbuilding. The wells pump and wiring replaced, and well sanitized in 2021. Mold testing and treatment to the attic, crawl space, ductwork and living space completed in 2021 along with crawl space dehumidifier and finished encapsulation. Survey available to the buyer. Yard and home quarterly treatment.